Hey everybody, so today just wanted to do a quick video on working with .mat files in LabVIEw. So for anyone who's worked in MATLAB in the past or uses MATLAB quite a bit, you may or may not be familiar with the .mat format, especially if you're wanting to maybe use LabVIEW for data acquisition or instrument control, but use MATLAB for data analysis. It can be useful to be able to leverage the .mat format so that you can, in LabVIEW, create those files and then do your analysis in MATLAB. So just wanted to share some tools, just FYI. So this is the toolkit that I'm using here. It's from Giovanni. I didn't write this myself, but yeah, he kind of has on LinkedIn here a little post about what it is, how it works, some demos, etc. Also, there's his email. You can reach out if you're interested in the tool, or just let me know. I can send it to you as well. I got it from him. But basically, he just created a library so we can create mat files. We can read the contents of them. We can put data in, update descriptors, stuff like that. So we also can generate these in MATLAB and do stuff with them in LabVIEW. So kind of cool. So here I have just an example VI, kind of just demoing stuff you can do with this. So right here, we're just using this create folder. This actually isn't .mat file specific, but we're just creating a folder where we're going to store our .mat file. And we're creating our mat file. So as you can see, we're actually just creating a file. There's not actually anything super unique happening yet. Here we're going to set our list contents. So we have a contents and a type. So we're passing in basically a name array. So these are the names of the data, and then these are the types of the data, and these are the supported data types in the library. So here we're actually getting into some of the actual .mat file specifics. So you can see there's actually a whole lot going on, and this does support MATLAB 5.0 mat file, which is modern. We're using, obviously you can see the kind of binary files. So we're basically he's kind of figured out how to map everything to the correct format and write all of that data. So you don't have to, you can just call this function. We have here just this append data to mat file. So here we're actually just generating random numbers. We're building a 2D array of that and then writing that to our mat file. You can see it doesn't have to be an array. We can write just a straight up float. These support variants, so we can pass in, whatever really. And then still here, we're just adding some more data, and then we have a close file at the end. So let's run this guy. You can see it was created. Let's go open this up. And you can see I've created my demo file.mat right here. So successfully created my mat file and it was just a bunch of random data, but able to create those functions. And just like that, we can also read mat files. So if I've created one in MATLAB or something like that, I can go read the data out of that and interact with it in LabVIEW. So really cool tool. If you work in both the MATLAB and LabVIEW space, can be really handy for kind of going between the two. So that would be working with .mat files in LabVIEW. Thank you.
Canon Controls is your gateway to mastering LabVIEW. Dive into programming for data acquisition, industrial communications, and manufacturing automation. Explore how to enhance your projects with cybersecurity best practices. Join the journey to elevate your skills and secure your systems with every episode.